Now that we have our sequence in place, we can start building up our edit. We'll start by selecting the clips that we want to add to the timeline. We'll make a selection using mark the in point and mark an out. And we'll just click and drag and add it to the timeline. I'll just zoom out here so we can see it. We'll select another clip. And again, make a selection using the in and out or the keyboard shortcuts, which are the I and O. And we can drag it to the timeline and just build up our edit that way. We've got other options here if we wanted to use these buttons, so the overwrite and the insert. So an overwrite edit will just delete what's below it on the timeline. And an insert edit will just cut the clip and insert this clip in between the cut points. If we wanted to use just the drag and drop method, if we hold down the command key, then we can also do an insert edit. Other editing options we can do are the replace edit. So we'll select a clip, holding down the Alt key and dragging a clip onto the clip in the timeline. We'll do a replace edit. If we want to use just the audio or the video component of a clip, then we can use these two buttons here. So this one will just drag video only, and this one will drag the audio only. To rearrange clips in the timeline, without holding down any key, we're just performing an overwrite edit. I'll undo that. And if I hold down the command key, then we are performing an insert. So that will just rearrange the clips without creating any of those empty spaces.